right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another market analysis. Today is Monday, June 17th. Let's talk about what's going on in the market. People are getting super bearish. Let's talk about this, right? What can we possibly see here in the days, weeks to come? So I'm going to start with the DXY, right? The US dollar. The US dollar is looking strong, guys, right? Which is bearish for risk on assets. However, we are at a very important level here. A very important resistance level, number one. And number two, we have this equal high here, which I really want to see us sweep, right? Sweep this level here at around, 106. And that would also be in confluence with this huge bearish fair value gap, right? That caused, this strong displacement down, breaking structure. So really, we are in a bearish formation until we invalidate this bullish fair value gap, and really until we close above these highs. Until we get a daily close above those highs, I'm still looking for DXY to take a drop here, right at around this 106 resistance zone. So keep that level in mind on the DXY. And also, if you go to the USDT dominance, we're seeing kind of the same thing here. We're seeing this huge bearish fair value gap, right, that we have not tagged the 50% level yet. We did, however, sweep these highs, right? But if we see another move to the upside here, we can see this sort of bearish three drive pattern right into that 50% level of that bearish fair value gap. Again, same thing, right? We had that consolidation, strong move down with bearish fair value gap, breaking structure, right? So again, yes, in the short term, the USDT dominance is looking pretty strong here, but keep in mind, until we really close above this resistance zone here, I'm looking for shorts here at this 50% level at the fair value gap, or not shorts, but I'll be looking for a rejection here on the USDT dominance, which would have confluence with the DXY, which would then be bullish for risk on assets like Bitcoin, right? However, if we look at Bitcoin, right, we can see we have another bullish fair value gap. So again, all these charts are kind of lining up, right? So if we see, that final move to the upside for the USDT dominance, we can see that move down for Bitcoin, and we haven't even tagged into this bullish fair value gap yet. So again, I'm looking for this bullish three drive pattern. And something else to note, which is going to be on a video later today as well, that I talked about, is we have multiple fib confluences at this level. We have the golden pocket fib from this most recent swing low, right? And we also midpoint of this range, right? We have the 50% fib level of this range from this swing low to this swing high, overlapping, this golden pocket, overlapping this fair value gap here, as well as grabbing liquidity from this low, right? So this is going to be a level that I'm interested in longing, right? I want to take a long around this level here, targeting these highs, right? These equal highs here. So I'm still bullish. This is the main level that I've been looking at. Been talking about this level for a while now in multiple analysis videos, but now it's coming. So let's see how price reacts at around this level. Maybe go to a lower time frame, like a 1 hour time frame, and use that easy oscillator. See if we have some bullish divergences, which it looks like we're in that oversold zone as I make this. So again, I want to see these lows swept into this high time frame point of interest. All the confluences are met. So again, this is what I'm looking at here on Bitcoin. If we take a look at Solana, we actually did take a long on Solana and got stopped out. So we're going to pull that up here. On the 1 hour time frame, I saw that we had reclaimed those lows, right? Broken structure to the upside, and we also had an inverse fair value gap here on like a 4 hour time frame, right? Excuse me. So we reclaimed this level here on a 4 hour time frame, had those bullish divergences. I was looking for an entry right here to retest the zone, as well as that bullish fair value gap with my stop loss right below, targeting these highs here, so like a 4-to-1 risk to reward. Unfortunately, that one got stopped out. Again, this is the importance of following your rules and then also having a good risk to reward, because the rules were there, right? We swept the low, reclaimed, inverse fair value gap, reclaiming that zone, entry at the bullish fair value gap. Unfortunately, it did not play out the way I was expecting. Will happen, guys. We've been going on a crazy run inside the Pro Discord, so it was only a matter of time before another stop out. But again, what can you do? Really not interested in longing any alts here. I really want to wait until Bitcoin reacts here, because Bitcoin dominance is continuing to grind higher, at least in the short term. It looks like we could be topping out here, actually. right? Which I talked about in the last analysis as well with this bearish trend line. Ideally, you'd want to see this go down as Bitcoin is consolidating or moving up. But we do have, this bullish fair value gap here as well, and 12-hour support. So we're probably going to see some sort of reaction here on the Bitcoin dominance, once we reach this 54.8% level. Right, so that's something else to keep an eye on, because if Bitcoin is continuing down or consolidating and Bitcoin dominance is continuing to rise, our alts are going to absolutely bleed, which is what we've been seeing. We've been seeing these altcoins just bleed, go back to 2023 prices, really insane stuff. So again, we want to see Bitcoin dominance go down ideally, and that is when I believe alt season will start this summer if we can see a move below 54.5%, somewhere around there. But that is it for the analysis today. Not super long, just want to go over that key level that I'm eyeing here, and that I'm waiting to take a long at. So yeah, this is the only level I'm really looking at here, following our rules. So we'll see what happens. Even on a higher time frame, the oscillator looks to be oversold as well, giving us a little bit more confidence that we can take a long position here. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys next time.